Hello and welcome to our Karatbars International video tutorial. In this video, we will explain what the General section is and how it works. Please go to karatbars.com and click on the Login button on the very top right of the site and log into your Karatbars account with your username and password. Once you successfully logged in, you enter the back office. The back office is your private and protected Karatbars area, where you can look up all information about your account, change settings or your profile information, place purchases, learn all about your commissions, and many other things. You will always begin on the dashboard after logging in. Whenever you want to return to the dashboard, simply click on the General tab and click on Dashboard. The Calendar tab reflects upcoming or recurring events and webinars related with Karatbars. Check the Webinar tab for upcoming webinars hosted by some of our best leaders around the world in your country and/or language. The latest News section informs you about all current and important changes that will be or have been implemented, introduced, or retired within the Karatbars system. Please make sure to check the latest news on a regular basis to always stay up to date. In the Download section, you'll find a lot of useful information and reference material. For example, if you need to look something up in the marketing plan, if you need to activate the 3D Secure code on your Karatbars prepaid MasterCard, if you need some further explanation on the KYC upload page, or simply a list of our bank accounts to finalize a bank wire transfer for a purchase, all can be found in the Download section. And don't miss the newsletter archive. It holds all newsletters which have ever been sent out in the last few years. On our active countries list, which we also like to call open countries list for obvious reasons, you can check if whether a country is open for gold delivery and for the Karatbars business model. If a desired country is not on this list, then we unfortunately cannot ship any gold and/or may not operate in it, as not all countries in the world allow the affiliate marketing business model. The active countries list also gives you some notice about possible additional custom and taxes duties which may occur. Please note that while we try to account for as many custom duties on your behalf and take them into account when calculating shipping fees for you, we unfortunately cannot influence certain local custom and tax regulations for some countries. Some custom fees cannot be paid in advance. That's the reason behind our notice of additional custom and taxes may apply. To learn more about how your back office works, please make sure to check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching and have a golden day. Your Karatbars team.